need to bring it back. Just straight back.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And guys, yeah, another rainy, cold, crappy day, but we can almost smell March. It's coming. But here's what's going on today. Cody, are you cold?
Cold.
I'm cold too. We're all cold. But we've got Lee's car out of the shop. It's we're about to put some primer down on this thing. And oh, the head's shut. But let's check it out here in a minute. But yeah, we got Lee's car out. The engine bay is ready for primer. We'll start the next phase of the engine bay. Get this car done, and I will have a update for you on Lee's car here shortly. Trust me, you will not want to miss it. It's gonna be epic. All right, so body work is done. Man, that's nice. This is where all the engine bay, how your engine bay comes out, this is where it matters right here. All your body work. All these lines. It's super important to get those right. And of course, all the stuff on the firewall, all smoothed out. It's gonna look good. So right now we just got it out of the shop. Gonna clean it off, get all the dust off, get it ready to shoot some primer. One step closer. So, I was actually talking with Cody, and Cody's like hatching ideas. Because, of course, you've got the 03?
Yeah, 04.
The 04 GT with the, that looks like the Terminator. But Cody's actually been doing a little bit of thinking. And it involves this car.
Uh-huh.
So, Cody, what are you thinking about?
I don't know. I'd love to coyote swap it, but it's a little pricey. So I'd like just something fun. I like a car where I don't have to keep cleaning. Boy, this is perfect.
Yeah.
You just jump in it, drive it, don't wash it, let it get dirty. Sleeper. I'm all about a sleeper, so I'd like to.
Yeah, dude. I mean, we could do anything with this car, though. And the interior is in ridiculously good shape. I mean, I know you're looking at it thinking, no, that's not in good shape. But, like, you look at the seats, there's no holes, nothing in the seat. I mean, and it's all there. It's literally all there. I mean, this would be such a cool freaking stick shift.
Yep.
And let's see under the hood. Like, and if nothing else, we could get it running with, like, a little 302.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a mouse. Holy God, there's a mouse. Do you see him?
Uh-huh.
I wonder if he comes with the car. But, like, I'm just thinking, I got nests everywhere. I was thinking, maybe we could just get it running with a 302. There's the mouse again. And, a T5, which would be fun. And, put some decent wheels on it, clean it up.
Yeah. And
then, put some money together for a coyote. That would be super cool.
Oh, it would. Yeah, so if not a coyote, just a stock 302 on 3 turbo kit or something like that. Either way, it's still gonna hurt some feelings.
I mean, even with a stock 302 and an on 3 kit, I think those are making somewhere in the 4s.
Yeah.
I mean, and so
ridiculous.
That's plenty of fun.
Oh yeah.
So we put an 8.8 under it, put a T5, for now, and I mean, this will be so cool. Like, you can't even paint it though. You got to leave it just like this.
Oh yeah, no, I won't even wash it. I won't even wash it. No.
Yeah, that'd be a cool project for sure.
The most expensive thing would probably be the wheels.
Yeah, it's got to have some cool wheels. We need some meats up under it.
I'm thinking some gold magnums.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Send it. God bless. I like the way you think. All right, so got Brian's car loaded up. I'll take it back to his house. Grab some food on the way. Yes, it's cold. Did I mention I'm ready for spring? Oh yeah, we still gotta get it strapped down. And also gotta stop by Clint's, check on his car, put the throttle body back on it. So let's roll. All right, guys, so we did have to stop by and finish up a couple of little projects on Clint's notch. And we ended up not having the right size gaskets So we're gonna have to put this one off to another day. But Clint is rocking the new smoked headlights. Looking good. Just getting her cleaned up. And he does have new wheels, but we're gonna save the reveal for when you get them put on, right, Clint?
That's right.
Yeah, we're not gonna show you the new wheels, but Clint does have some new wheels for the car. And if you caught the video a while back, we did a couple little projects on this car. Is ridiculously slick. Ridiculously slick. So Dover's doing some trimming. Is that gonna work out?
No, it's gonna work.
You actually did pretty good on that.
Yeah.
Nice clean cuts. Look
I'm
at that.
trying, yeah.
I'm trying to see if we can make this little cover fit around the strut tower brace. Not bad.
It's getting there. Yeah, I guess that's one like it goes.
Yeah, that looks good.
I got little push pins over here.
Yeah, that
I still gotta go deeper here.
still a little more.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna look good though.
When I push the bar down, it's pushing it out quite a bit.
All right. So, Alex, do we got AC yet?
Boom.
All wired up?
Just need some Freon, huh?
Yes, sir.
You
Yes,
paid attention when you
sir.
did that?
Yeah, I was watching. Got everything wired up, fired up. I'm gonna do mine next.
I had to steal some wire loom outside.
Oh, did?
Yeah, I'm finna shorten all the wires.
Oh, I hear you.
Yeah, I'm finna shorten all of them.
Sweet.
Cut them short.
I'm ready to charge her up. All righty, y'all. We have we've got all kinds of projects today. And got all kinds of projects to go. All right, y'all. So that is about what I've got for you today. Again, Ford Takeover, May 4th. Make sure you're here, Jackson Dragway, Jackson, Tennessee. I rented out the track. Make sure you're there. It's going to be freaking awesome. There's going to be all of these cars here. And we're hoping for 1,000 cars this year. I don't know if it's going to happen or not, but it's going to be awesome. Make sure you're there. Pre-meet the night before. That's going to be awesome. But info on my website, thefoxcast.com. And we're going to do something, other projects, hopefully. We are waiting on parts, and we do need the weather to let up a little bit for a lot of the other stuff we got going on, but it'll be all right. So, in the meantime, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. All right, later.